Alright guys, so I have an issue with my Penn Spinfisher spinning reel. The drag on this reel is silent and basically the drag isn't clicking. It should sound like this, but instead this is what I get. Nothing. I finally figured out what's going on with this reel and I want to show you how to fix it. The first thing you need to do is remove the spool and check the clicker and spring on the inside. Make sure that the clicker moves freely and springs back into place like it should, which it does in this case. The clicker simply engages with the spindle on the main spool shaft. As you can see here, the spindle on this reel is spinning freely. This spindle should not move, it should be locked in place. So when the spool is pulling drag, the shaft spins inside it without it oscillating the clicker, which is what my issue is. So we simply need to replace the main spool shaft assembly and spindle. You can get PENN Reel parts at mysticparts.com for super cheap. This guy was only $7. Mystic usually ships same day and are the go-to for PENN Reel parts. This doesn't affect the performance of the reel at all, but the drag not clicking has been driving me crazy. To replace it, you first remove the spool and the handle. Then remove the 3 screws from the reel case to access the inside of the reel. You'll then rotate the top end of the reel until the crosswind block drops down to its lowest point. From here, you can remove the main spool shaft screw and remove the main spool shaft. Then you simply install the new shaft. As you can see here on the new shaft, the spindle does not spin freely and it's locked in place. After putting the reel back together, you can hear the drag now clicks like it should. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and check out some of the other videos on my channel.